Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix your device isn't compatible with this version Android. So let's start. So I have 3 tips to give you. The first one is keep press on Play Store. Then just go to App Info. Then just wait a little bit until this loads. Then let's go to storage and clear all the cache. Just click here and clear all data. Okay, just clear the cache. Just click OK, and then just go back, and then you can force the stop. That is the second tip. Then let's go to clear all data again, and just click all the data. Just click here and OK. So now you try to again to download the app for Google Play Store. So just go again to Google Play Store, just start login and try to download the app. So just wait a little bit until this is ready to use. So select the account, and now that it's ready, here you can looking for the app that you want to download and trying to download again. So that's the way to fix it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.